Nestled on almost 1.7 acres, this private sanctuary is where timeless charm meets everyday convenience. With its French-inspired exterior and enchanting Juliet balcony, this home feels plucked right from the pages of a storybook.
I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and welcome to my newest listing in Wake Forest, North Carolina.
Inside, you'll find that this home leans more traditional with extensive millwork, archways, gleaming hardwoods, plantation shutters, and a layout that offers spaces that are independent while flowing from one to the next. The first floor features multiple spaces to entertain, with a formal dining and living room, and a tucked-away kitchen with its own eat-in area. The first floor primary feels like a retreat that is spacious with access to the back deck and a grand primary bath. With separate vanities, a garden tub, a tiled walk-in shower, and dual closets. Upstairs, you'll find 3 more generous-sized bedrooms and a full bath. Now we saved the best for last. Welcome to the rare finished walkout basement that provides space for everything from intimate gatherings to movie nights with multiple spaces to gather. Here you'll find another potential bedroom, a full bath, half bath, and a kitchenette. Within 20 minutes from the energy of North Hills, the European flair of Lafayette Village, and the natural beauty of Falls Lake, this home offers the perfect balance of retreat and connection. This home is perfect for childhood memories and stories yet to be written. For more information on this home, give the Coley Group a call today.